guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing another great add-on called Aspis TV. Guys, as we know, Kodi repos are going up and down, so today I'm going to show you one that's really working well for me, and I'm sure it's going to do well for you as well. This is a great add-on done by Supremacy. A great thumbs up to them as well. Going forward, let's get down to it. As we can see by this, we have trailers, actors, actresses, DC comics, family movies. Just to give you a hint of what's actually happening, I'm gonna try one of the movies to actually show you it works. So let's go into popular movies. As you see, it's actually opening up. You've got 2018, 2017, 2016. It actually goes right down to the 90s. So guys, great add-on. So I'm just going to show you that it actually works. I've been watching this a couple of days ago, so it should be on track. Another great thing is a VPN, guys. With Kodi, a VPN is a must due to the fact of geolocking of content, and obviously your ISP, FBI, whoever's trying to monitor your internet activity can be hidden with a great VPN. My suggestion will be IP Vanish. I will leave a link in the bottom of the description. As we see, it opens up. Previous play. Remember guys, depending on the links you actually use, I suggest Google link will be your fastest links, so no buffer on these. So let's get down to opening it up. It does take some time to actually load, but once loaded it works flawlessly, guys. It's a great add-on to your Kodi setup. Guys, please check the description below as well for hints and tips on Kodi. As you see, it actually opens up. I'm going to pause it there due to copyright. And you know, YouTube actually blocks content and copyright. Let's stop it there. Now I'm going to show you how to actually install this great add-on. This add-on can be used on all types of devices, so your Android TVs, your Fire Stick, and PC as well. That's what I'm actually using. Alright, so you're going to go to the top, just drop it there, the settings bar, click on that, File Manager, you're going to click on Add Source. Well, I've already added the source, so I'm going to show you on my calendar. Edit source, where mine says this, yours should say none. Click there and you enter the source, guys. Remember, I'll leave the source in the description below as well. Click OK. You're going to enter a name. I've called mine UK, and OK again. Then you're going to go back out. You're going to click on add-on. You're going to click on the top box at the bottom, and you're going to click install from zip file. Whatever you named it, you're going to click on that. You're going to click there, and you're going to click on that to install. You're going to get a pop-up coming here telling you Supremacy installed, as mine says updated, and then you're going to click install from repository. Click on Supremacy, video add-ons, and there we have it, Aspis, guys. Click on Aspis, and where mine says uninstalled, yours will be installed. Once you click installed, click open. And there we see, guys, everything all installed and ready for use. Please, if you like my videos, please subscribe, hit the bell notification, and share, guys. Share the video, share the links. It will really help my channel. And check down in the description some great Amazon tech stuff, and you're going to get a great VPN. Thanks for watching.